So hey dudes, welcome to Game Arts. So today we'll be unboxing this epic Wacom writing tablet. So first let's unbox it and then I'll show you a demonstration since this is my first time doing it. Okay, should I start? Let's go. So you have to be careful with the knife because I already cut it and I cut my finger over here. It's on a... Okay, now I guess you have to open it this way. Ugh, I'm trying so hard. Oh yeah, I think it's over here. Yep, I was right, over here. So, open it. Oh my gosh. So, here's the tablet. So, I'm trying to get it out now. Yes, so this is the tablet. So, this is how it looks over here on the front. So, there's this big dot and some other small dots. And over here, it's this really beautiful black color. So I'm gonna keep this over here. And now we have the epic pen. So wait, let's start with the middle instruction manual. So now since it's cellophane taped, I have to pull over here, I guess, over here. So I'm pulling it. Yep, I got it out. And yeah, so I just have to, so the thing goes over here, the instruction manual. Here's the cables and some extra things in the middle. And finally, we get to the pen. Yes, now I got it out. So now let's open the tablet first. So here. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. So as you can see, I've connected it and I've written Wacom pen. So it just takes a bit to practice writing on a new tablet. So now I've went into Microsoft Whiteboard, and now I'm gonna see how I can write. So I'm hovering over, so I'm going to choose red for instance. Okay, I'm just going to choose red. And I'm just going to write something. Okay, got to OneNote, so I'm going to try using OneNote right now. So you have to click this draw button over here. Oh, oops, sorry. Yep, you have to click the draw button. I know it's a bit hard. And you click on pen over here and you can write. See? You can just write something. Like this. And now we're gonna go to PowerPoint. So I go to draw, click it. And I click on pens, and now I can just draw. So I first have to click on pen. I will choose any color I want. So for now I'm going to choose light blue, and once you're done you can just draw. See? Oh sorry, I meant to put another. Yep. So yeah, this is it. So thank you for watching this video.